Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore asset management in Trysetgo and how it helps you efficiently manage and optimize your media. From the dashboard, click on Assets, or use the left navigation to open the Asset Manager. This will take you to the Asset Management page. Click on Manage Assets to upload files, create collections, and organize your media. Choose how you want to optimize your assets and select the preferred image format. You can upload images of any size. Our optimizer automatically reduces them to around 100 kilobytes while maintaining quality. Once uploaded, click on the asset to access various options and actions. With this, you now have a clear idea of how to leverage Trysetgo's asset management capabilities to optimize and manage your assets efficiently.